Good morning to you guys, and today I'm gonna show you how to make very simple text animation. Let me expand it, play. So let's do it. First of all, I have to go to this little kitten and paint. Here I choose text tool, I click once and I paste my text. And then I have to convert it to bitmap. If I don't convert it to bitmap, I'm not able to erase it. Let's try it, it doesn't erase. And we need to erase it. So I convert it to bitmap and you see now it's all erasable. So first of all I need to do, I go to costumes out here. Here we have code, here we have costumes. I do right click and I duplicate and I erase a little bit. I choose eraser tool, I zoom plus and I erase like this. And then I copy again. I duplicate my costume, the last one, and then I erase. And I have all my costumes missing one letter each time. You see, every time I click, it's less and less. Now we need to make a code. Let's go to code. And the code can be like this. When green flag clicked, forever, next costume. For example, let's see. And you see, it disappears. We need to make it backward. So what do we need to do? We need to switch costume. Then we need to do minus. We go to operators and we find minus. We go back to costumes and we find costume number. We put costume number inside and we make it, here is minus, you just put 1, minus 1. And let's put it inside. So let's see what we have. When green flag clicked, forever, switch costume to costume number minus 1. Let's test it. It works good. Don't forget to subscribe. That's it.